just wanted to do a quick review of some of the trades we've had recently. I've not done a video for a while, so I wanted to just thought I'd better just get myself out there again and see how we've done on some of the trades and that. So we've got, let's go to the Canadian dollar. So you can see here our entry was at 0.73625, stop loss was at 0.73445. So this is a Canadian dollar futures long. So you can see here what happened. We came in, we hit target 1, we were really close to target 2, and then we came back. We did come back into the area and we've come back out, but we were already out by then, because once we hit target 1 we then moved our stop to break even, entry. So that was then meant the last 2 contracts will break even, but we still took a little bit out of there, so that's fine. Let's have a look. Pending. S&P, we've got some pending. So okay, so this was a natural gas trade, which actually just got stopped out. You can see here that was your stop loss at 2.006, and it went to a high of 2009. So literally just stopped us out and then did exactly what we wanted it to do, which is fine. That's trading. You know, you do take losers as well. It's not just all winners. Let's have a look. So okay, so this was the Aussie dollar. Again, it's the futures trade, so that entered in on the 7th of March. We had a short here at on this white line here, which is 0.6663, and our stop loss was on this red line here, which was 0.6685. So you can see here what's happened here. So it came in, hit target 1, hit target 2, and hit target 3. Okay, so let's have a look here. So that was a NASDAQ. So you can see here our entry was at 1805 0.25. Stop loss was here at 17959. So you can see what it's done. It came in and then eventually it's gone and hit all 3 targets. What else is there? Look, no, that didn't quite get to our entry. It turned on this zone here instead of the one below. That's not coming yet. No, still waiting on the euro. Okay, and this was the Japanese yen short. So the idea was right. So we were looking to short here at 0.68595 and our stop loss at 0.6880. Now it came in and it literally just stopped us out, which was at a high of 68810. So it was just it literally just stopped us out there, as you can see where it's gone through this red line here, which is our stop loss, and then it went and dropped a huge amount from there. Okay, so then let's have a look at, there was a US dollar we had. So this is the long trade that we've been in for quite a while. So you can see it's entered in here at 0.107107. Our stop loss is at 0.106820, which is this red line. So you can see here it's come in and it's literally hit target 1, which is here, target 2. We've actually moved our target 3 out of the way. We've also put our trailed our trading stop here on our last contracts. So literally if it comes back here, then we've still gained this much here, difference between the entry and our stop loss there, but we'll try and trail stop this as much as we can. So we'll keep moving this last target out of the way and we'll move our stops up technically according to our plan. So let's see what else there is. We haven't got, that one hasn't come in, that one hasn't come in. No. US dollar CAD hasn't come in yet. Okay, so this was the euro dollar. We planned this yesterday, not to get in, and you can see what it's done. It literally just stopped us out. I mean, we had our stop loss that was at 1.0835. It went down to 1.0849. No, sorry, 1.0834. So it stopped us out by about one pip. So it just literally just stopped us out. It's come back, retested the zone, and then it's, well, you can see what it's doing now. But unfortunately, we got stopped out of that one. But we stuck to our plan and we stick to our rules. So you don't change it just because the odd trade gets stopped out by by a small amount. That's trading for you. You can't win them all. So let's have a look what else we got. Yeah, we had this NZD JPY. It came into the zone, and you can see what it's doing, is running away there. So that one's not come in. They've not come in yet. This was a CAD yen. So basically what happened here, we had an entry at 110.905, which was this line here. It filled on the 1st of March. Stop loss was 111.118, which is this red line here. You can see here it hit target 1. So then we would have moved our stop to entry plus the commission. So it's just been below this first line here, and then it's hit target 2. We did have target 3 over here, but I tried to trail stop it. So we moved the stop on the last contract down above this zone here, and you can see what's happened. It came back and it's eventually gone through it, so it stopped us out on the last contract here. So we still took this much, which is still pretty decent. US dollar Japanese yen, so this was a short at 150.281, which was here. I mean, it took such a long time to come out of this zone, but stuck to the plan. Don't deviate from it. It's the worst thing you can do. I've learned from many years of experience, once you've planned the trade, just leave it, whether it hits your targets or hits your stop, and that you're better off just leaving it alone. And this is a prime example. The number of times, in the past, I would have probably stopped this out as it was doing this, but just walk away. I like to walk away from my swing trades and just leave them alone and let them do what they're going to do. Now, it didn't do as much as I wanted to do. I was probably a bit greedy on this second target, but you can see it's dropped from here, hit target 1, so I've moved the stop on the remaining 2 targets to just below the entry price, which was 150.281, and it's come down. I probably should have had the second target around about here, really, but that was a bit greedy on that one. So it is what it is, and then basically it's come back and stopped us out on entry. So, but we still took target 1, which I'm happy about, and we've preserved our capital, which is great, and we live to fight another day. So, and then let's see if there's anything here. No, not got in there yet. I think we've covered this. So this was our Euro US dollar swing trade. So you can see here we entered in at 1.07107. Stop loss was at 1.06820, which is this red line. It's hit target 1, hit target 2. When it hit target 1, we moved our stop to entry plus commissions, and then when it's gone past target 2, we didn't take target 3. We've literally moved it out of the way, and then we've tried to trail stop this. So you can see my stop loss is here. So whatever happens now, I will try and trail stop this to try and get as much as I can out of the trade. The worst that can happen is that it comes back down and it stops us out here, which is this is the entry. This would be the 3rd target. I'm hoping it carries on, and what I'll do is I'll keep technically moving up the trail stop to try and get as much as I can out of the trade. And I think that's about it at the moment. So yeah, thank you for watching.